Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in essentials that immediately affect lap time. First, set brake bias around 52 to 56% front and feel how the car rotates. Small moves change lap consistency. Once done, adjust tire pressures to 21, 522, 5 psi front and 19, 520, 5 psi rear to reduce overheating. Finally, choose gear ratios that favor acceleration into Sector 2 corners rather than absolute top speed. This gets you quicker exits and lower lap time immediately. You now refine how you carry speed through Zandvoort's flowing sections. For Tarzan and Shivlak, trail brake into the apex and progressively feed throttle to avoid snap oversteer. This preserves momentum. Once you practice selective curb use, light on the high, heavy on the low, you'll stabilize the car. Make sure to prioritize exit speed through turns 11 to 13. Sacrifice a touch of entry position so you can open throttle earlier and shave tenths across the lap consistently. You finish the session by executing focused qualifying sims and troubleshooting. Do 2 hot laps on soft tires and compare sector deltas to identify weak points. Use telemetry to watch brake temps and any rear lock events. If you notice persistent understeer, lower front anti-roll bar or soften front rebound slightly, then run another lap to confirm improvement. Finally, when balance flips to oversteer, reverse changes in small increments. This iterative approach gets you race ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.